Welcome back. How do we fix this send mail from not set in php.ini error? We haven't determined who the email is from. We need to do this in order to send the email. We won't use something like a from parameter here. We need to send to specific headers. So here we create a headers variable which is not equal to something like me@me.com. What we need to do is work with the standardized mail header, and that is from and a colon, not semicolon, and then we say, for example, PHP Academy. Or you could say something like admin@PHP Academy and add .com if you like. I don't actually have the domain name, but we'll just keep it as that. So from admin@phpacademy.com, and now inside our mail we need to add another parameter which is headers. And now we come here and you can type Alex, and here this is a test. Click on send me this and we face another error. Now I'm not actually running a mail server on my computer. If you don't want to run a mail server on your computer, Google for @mailfree server and this will install a mail server on your computer just like we are doing now, running on a local host. So we will have a SMTP mail server running under localhost. Now as I don't have a mail server, I will use my university email system, which is the DNS or the domain name server of my university email. That's the way my email is sent through my university. If you know a specific DNS server, if you have a domain name already, if you have a website, you will know it, or you will be able to find it at least. You will be able to send an email through that. I know that my university email DNS server is mailhost.chef.ac.uk because I'm in Sheffield University. So I need to incorporate this into my php.ini. And the best way to do this is to come here and set our variables. Okay, we need two. Set SMTP in php.ini. And instead of opening up my php.ini file, I'll just use the ini set function, and the variable name is SMTP. So we are editing this line inside our php.ini file, and I type the mail host in there as a value. Here we just echo get ini, which gets a specific value. Next I'll say SMTP, and I can just kill the script there. So you can see how this works. So if I say Alex and then test and click on send me this. Oh sorry, I have typed this completely wrong. Big mistake. That is ini get, and let's refresh that. Okay, we are basically setting our SMTP inside our ini file to mailhost.chef.ac.uk, and then we will echo out the value of this. So this just tells me that that is set to mailhost.chef.ac.uk. Presuming this mailhost server or DNS server works, then the rest of the code will work. After sending our mail, I'll just kill the page. No, I won't. I just kill the page. Let's go back and say Alex, and this is a test. Just checking that everything is okay. We've got my subject, my headers saying from admin@php.com, and our body in here, and we are executing our mail function. So when I click send me this, nothing happens. We've got no errors, so we can presume that everything has worked. If I come into my Hotmail or email and click on my inbox, you can see that we have got a mail from admin@php.com. If we click on it, we have email from PHP Academy as a subject line that we have set here. And we have the email address that I specified from. You can put this as from Alex or from PHP Academy. And then we have, this is an email from Alex, which is a name we gave inside the form here. And then we have two line breaks which are present 1 and 2. And this is a test, which is the text I put in there. So that's a mail function by using my university's DNS mail server. Your INSP will have a DNS mail server. It may require authentication, on which I will be completing the tutorial soon. So if this doesn't work for you, watch that tutorial or just drop me an email or contact me through my YouTube. Okay, so I hope that was useful to a lot of people. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Ivan Berkey dubbing for the spoken tutorial project. Bye bye.